Hello, in this video we are going to look at how to add and subtract matrices. And it's really a pretty simple thing because it really comes down to just adding together terms that are in the same entry. So here we have first a 2x2 matrix plus a 2x2 matrix. This is the first thing to check if you're going to add two matrices. The dimensions of them have to be exactly the same. So 2 rows by 2 columns, 2 rows by 2 columns. And then when you add two matrices, it creates a new matrix with the same dimensions, so a 2x2. So I'm drawing the lines there that will be filled with our results. So when you add matrices, you just add terms that are in the same position. So my first row, first column. So I'm going to go 2 plus 7, taking it real slow on this one. And then the 3 plus 12, and it goes in the same spot. And then -1 plus 1 and 5 plus 0. And you can go through and then simplify those. 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 12 is 15, -1 plus 1 is 0, and 5 plus 0 is 5. And there's your resulting matrix. It is still a 2x2, and all I did was add the entries together. So then what about subtraction? Well, very same thing. It's got to be the same dimensions for the matrices, 2x2, and it's going to result in a 2x2 matrix. The only thing is, I just subtract each term. So we're going to go 12 minus 1 to get 11, -2 minus -3, which is 1, as we go -2 plus 3. And then I have 0 minus 6, so that's -6, and 5 minus -2, so that's 5 plus 2 is 7. And there's my resulting matrix. Again, it's pretty nice how simple matrix addition and subtraction are. So let's try a couple more examples. So our first example here on the left, I have a 3x3 matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns, and a 2x2 matrix. So if I add them, oh, what's that? The dimensions are not the same. So we have to say it's not possible. I cannot add those two. Okay, you cannot add matrices unless their dimensions are the same. Okay, over here, checking the dimensions of our second example, we have a 3x3 and a 3x3. So we can add them, and it will give me a 3x3 matrix. So here we go. We'll add the 3 plus the 2 to get a 5. 5 plus -2 to get a 3. 14 plus 11 to get 25. And on to the second row. -1 plus -8 gives me -9. -2 plus 0 is -2. -1 plus 0 is -1. Clear this out for the last row. 2 plus 4 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. And mind-numbingly, 3 plus 5 is also 8. Okay, and it results in a 3x3 matrix, as it should. And there you go, there's basics on vector addition and subtraction.